Hi everybody and welcome to our amazing Sea-Doo showroom here in Salt Lake City, Utah. My name is Tyler Krebs. I'm a part of the product strategy team with Sea-Doo, and I'd like to take you through our entire lineup for the model year 2023, starting with the amazing RXPX Apex 300. You might have seen a sneak peek that we did with Daniel Ricciardo at the Grand Prix in Miami back in May. But the RXPX Apex is now officially available through pre-order from now until November 30th. So let me take you through a few of the features that make the RXPX Apex 300 such a cool model. The RXPX Apex 300 is the most exclusive watercraft ever made. Well, what makes it so exclusive? Let's start with the coloration and the design. We have an amazing racing green color highlighted by a carbon fiber hood and mirrors. We also have a really cool matching passenger seat and an exclusive Apex branded cover. Another thing that's really important about the RXPX Apex is the industry first steering damper. Now, the steering damper has 3 settings to adjust from least stiff to most stiff, depending on preference or conditions. But the main advantage of this hydraulic steering damper is that it reduces a lot of the input from the water conditions. So it produces a much more solid and high-end feeling steering and control. So let's move on now from the performance segment over to our brand new adventure segment and the Explorer Pro 170. For 2023, we're not just launching a new model, we're launching a completely new segment. The Explorer Pro 170 is an adventure model. It's meant to take you on long distance rides, visit new places, and take you on new adventures. So let's take a little closer look at some of the cool features that it has to offer. The first thing that stands out with the Explorer Pro is the touring windshield. Now, a windshield obviously is going to prevent you from getting splashed while you're out on the water, but it's more important than that. It also prevents a lot of the wind pressure and noise that's going to create a lot of fatigue on a long distance trip. You can even hear your audio system better with that bubble that it creates around you. Next up, we have to talk about the adjustable handlebar riser. So it's a really cool feature to help you be super comfortable in a variety of different riding positions. So it's not only adjustable in height, it's also adjustable in tilt. So you can really sit anywhere and be in any position on the Explorer Pro and be comfortable for a long period of time. Another great feature is the touring seat with some extra padding for those long distance rides. In addition to great comfort, the Explorer Pro also offers a lot of really cool cargo capacity features. So if we move to the back of the vehicle, you might recognize the rear deck extension from the Fish Pro models, but we also have a really cool multi-link cargo rack. Now both of those features, the rear deck extension and the multi-link cargo rack, add a ton of options as far as bringing along accessories. It's compatible with any Link accessory really, and there's a million different configurations that you can do with both the cargo rack and the rear deck extension. Another great way to extend comfort on long distance rides is with your apparel. So this year we have a really cool new life vest that has extra storage for a radio and lots of other stuff. And we also have a really cool new neoprene jacket that you can put over your life vest and it will help you stay comfortable in a variety of conditions. So that's our brand new adventure model. Let's move on to the sport fishing segment. In 2022, we launched an entire lineup of Fish Pro models, from the entry-level Scout 130 all the way up to the Trophy 170, which has a lot of really cool and innovative features like the modular swivel seat, a live well, an advanced battery system, an anchor, and a whole lot more. There really is a Fish Pro for everyone. They're clever, they're versatile, and they allow you to experience fishing in a completely different way. Now let's go take a look at our GTI and GTX models. In addition to a really cool Neo Mint and Ice Metal coloration this year, the GTI SE offers a boosted tech package with both the premium audio system and the IDF or Intelligent Debris-Free Pump System. The GTI SE offers a ton of value, but if you're looking for even more comfort and convenience, there's the GTX Limited 300, which this year gets a really cool coloration in Blue Abyss, and it looks amazing in the sunlight. One really convenient accessory is the Link rear seat bag, which is accessible from the seated position by the passenger. This is super practical, really intuitively designed with some dividers on the interior, and it's splash proof. And it doesn't prevent you from using your rear link attachment points. We're not done yet. We still have a couple more models to cover. Let's go check out the Spark and the Wake Pro. The Spark Trix this year adds a really fresh manta green coloration, and the entire Spark family remains the #1 choice for fun, agile, lightweight, and easy to own personal watercraft. And the Wake Pro, which is tailor-made for tow sports, adds IDF to its already fantastic tech package. So that's a wrap for personal watercraft, but we still have a lot to share for the Switch lineup. Let's go check it out. Here in the showroom, we have one of each Switch package for us today. We've got the entry-level Switch, the Sport package, and the Cruise package. This year, we're adding a model to the Cruise package in the 18-foot, 230 horsepower option. Now, we already offer an 18-foot, 230 horsepower option with the Sport package, but what we want to do is take that agile, powerful driving experience and bring it to the Cruise package with a bit more comfort, convenience, seating, and storage. We're also taking all of our 100 horsepower engines and bumping them up to 130 horsepower. This is going to allow us to get up on plane a little bit faster. It's going to give us a little extra top speed and acceleration. You may know that all Switch have the trailer included in the MSRP, and so I think our friends in the saltwater market will be happy to know that we're now offering a galvanized option for our trailers. For 2023, we're offering a new sunshade extension for the Bimini top, which is a super accessible way to offer more sun protection and onboard comfort to all your passengers. And if you're looking to make your docking experience easier than ever, we offer link light fenders, LED docking lights, and an integrated speed tie system. It's been an absolute pleasure to walk you through the 2023 Sea-Doo lineup here today. If you're looking for more information, contact your local dealer or visit our website, and we'll see you on the water.